Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the direct deposit form, this one here, for RBC Bank. All right. So you can go to this link here, royalbank.com banking services / direct deposit, and click on this link. This should take you to that PDF here. You can download it, fill it up, and submit it to your employee. And another way is to just sign into your online bank, click any of your accounts here, and then select view and print payroll direct deposits, this section from the navigation. Then select your account you want to deposit your payroll to form the drop down, then click view and print, and this should print your own direct deposit form, and your customized form will be presented to you that way. Just simply print it, sign, and submit a copy to your employer's payroll department, and your part is complete. I'll paste this link in the description below so that you can go directly to it.